Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and the app. Mount the camera at board height, about 173 center, and secure power. Open Dartcounter and navigate directly to camera setup. Enter the camera IP or select USB. Once done, choose resolution 1080p and 30 fps to balance clarity and bandwidth. Make sure to grant camera permission in your device settings. This step matters because proper framing and permissions prevent misreads and dropped frames. You now focus on precision. Frame the entire board so the bull is centered and all segments are visible. Use Dartcounter's calibration tool to tap the bull and a couple of outer segment points. Adjust brightness and contrast to remove glare. Once done, run a live test by throwing 5 to 10 sample darts while watching the detection overlay. Make adjustments to threshold values until hits match physical positions, because accurate calibration reduces scoring errors later. Finish by saving your camera profile and enabling auto-logging so each game attaches video and scores. Once saved, conduct a full game simulation and confirm matches between physical darts and detected hits. If you encounter misreads, reframe the board, reduce exposure to cut glare, or run a quick recalibration. These are the most common fixes. For network cameras, reserve the camera IP on your router and enable CO-S for stability. If detection still fails, reboot the camera, then repeat calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.